Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Corridor Decoration Delight. Are you tired of walking through bland, uninspiring hallways? Do you want to transform your corridors into stylish, inviting spaces? Look no further. Our channel is dedicated to helping you revamp and beautify your corridors with creative and practical decor ideas. Join us as we explore the world of corridor decoration, sharing expert tips, dye projects, and innovative design concepts. Our team of talented interior designers and home enthusiasts are here to guide you through every step of the process, from planning to execution. On Corridor Decoration Delights, you can expect to find number one inspiring makeovers. Witness the incredible transformation of dull, neglected corridors into stunning, personalized spaces. We'll show you before and after makeovers that will leave you inspired and motivated to tackle your own corridor projects. Number two, dye tutorials. Discover budget friendly and imaginative do it yourself projects tailored specifically for corridors. From creating gallery walls to crafting unique lighting fixtures, we will demonstrate easy to follow tutorials to help you achieve remarkable results without breaking the bank. Number 3, design tips and tricks. Unleash your creativity with our expert advice on color schemes, furniture selection, flooring options, and more. Learn how to optimize space, enhance lighting, and choose the perfect decor elements to complement your corridor's overall aesthetic. Number 4, seasonal decor. Stay up to date with the latest trends and seasonal themes as we showcase how to infuse your corridors with festive charm. From holiday decorations to seasonal wreaths and garlands, we will provide inspiration for every occasion throughout the year. Number 5, viewer Q&A. The value and community and your questions and suggestions are important to us. We will address your queries